I just sailed twice on one of the newest cruise lines offering service in the Caribbean and the Bahamas, MSC Cruise Lines. And I'm going to tell you how we got upgraded to a balcony cabin for no extra cost both times. But first I want to tell you a little bit about the ship. Boarding the ship was a breeze. Both times we arrived at the port early and were able to board the ship within 20 minutes of arrival. Our rooms were clean and ready very quickly, and the food throughout the entire cruise was absolutely delicious. We absolutely loved the design of the ship. We were on the MSC Seashore, but the Seashore is very similar to the other ships that MSC sails in North America. We loved the infinity pool, the bridge of sighs was breathtaking, and the service at the restaurants and bars was outstanding. We booked an interior cabin in the low demand months of March and May and were upgraded for free to a balcony both times.